Hello friends, how to fix WhatsApp something went wrong problem? Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all long press on WhatsApp app, tap and hold, tap on I button or app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Then go back to home screen and go to Play Store and search here WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp app to latest version your App Store or Play Store. Please waiting for completing update process. Okay, after completing update process, open your WhatsApp app and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.